Hi, it's Kerry. I always seem to be feeding animals. All of my animals today are made by Schleich. My favourite would have to be the new horses today. A noisy mallard duck. We never need an alarm clock around here. The two Sarahs love the donkey foal, and they've got a calf they're feeding as well. We've got horses coming. It's the Pinto family first. The mare and the foal are coming out of the horse box. Next up is the Pinto stallion. This is an awesome horse. I love the mane. I'm going to give you a better view of all these horses in a minute. Look at that. The mane is flowing. What a beautiful stallion. A Pinto horse has a coat colour that consists of large patches of white and any other colour. Next is the Pinto mare. She is beautiful. And the foal. I have two more new horses. The Arab mare is beautiful and comes with beetroot, apples and a pink blanket. This brown foal comes with a blanket, a bottle and a carer. The Arab mare is a beautiful and strong horse. I love the way the mane has been plaited. And look at those silver shoes. What a lovely horse. She comes with a pink blanket, some beetroot, apples and a leading rope. The blanket matches her hair. The foal is so cute. It comes with a bottle, a nice aqua coat and a carer. The little girl's arms can move to hold the bottle. A nice aqua blanket edged in pink. Let's try it on. The two Sarahs feed the foals. And now it's time for a rub down. I think they'd take that all day long. And now to feed the adult horses. The farmer David has brought in some extra vegetables and fruit. Sophie is grooming the horse today. This is the female, the Pinto mare. And some extra food for the brown foal. Next we have some birds for our pond. A swan and three cygnets, a mallard duck, a goose, a cat, a duck and some cygnets. The cat's leading them in. Love that noisy duck. The black cat's taken its favourite position on the balcony. And here are the birds. More new animals. Goats and sheep. The Shropshire sheep. A white goat. A black sheep. A baby lamb. And a goat kid. Matt brings the food in. They're always hungry. The two Sarahs like to hand feed the baby animals. It looks like the goat's getting the horses beetroot. And it's always time for a hug. And here's the roosters. Matt's bought some feed in for the horses. And now we've got some cattle coming in. The Cemental family, the cow and the bull. A donkey foal and a calf. Next up we have more cows arriving. There's 2 Texas Longhorn cows, the old one and the new one. There's a donkey and another calf. The 2 Sarahs feed the donkey foal and the calf. They love that donkey foal. Time to feed the adult cattle and the donkey, and there's a little Texas Longhorn calf there as well. Well, that was a lot of fun. I think my favourites were the Schleich Horse Club horses, and especially that white Arab mare. The visitors are having a great time looking at the animals. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.